Hi there, Chris with Safety Cover. Today we're going to talk about piping penetrations and how we could factory install those for you here at Safety Cover, and how you could take care of this also out in the field, which is actually what we recommend. And the reason for that is because things tend to shift between the planning stage and maybe going out to the actual project site. So we will recommend that if you have to have piping penetrations for, let's say, a pump cover, or you're covering a pump with influent and effluent, holes that need to be cut, it's a really good idea to do those out in the field with your installing contractor. But if that's not an option for you, we're happy to do those here at our factory. So today we just want to give you kind of an example. This is a mock-up that we've put together here to show you how our patch panels work and how our piping penetrations look. So if you see here, this is kind of a doghouse look, so we're assuming that this pipe is already in place, okay? And so we cut out a U-shaped hole here, or notch if you will, and you would slide the panel over that and then cover the hole here with a patch panel. This is something we provide, and it has insulation on the other side as well. And you'll notice that we also provide self-tapping screws to hold it in place. So that's what the front of it would look like, and this is a PVC coating that our enclosures come with to keep them protected during shipping, that you'd peel off and you'd have this nice aluminum mill finish behind it. So that's the front. Now if we go around the back here, you'll see, and again obviously the wood is just to hold up our form here so we could use this example. You can see how nice and tight the penetration actually is, okay? So there's not much room between the pipe itself and the enclosure wall or panel. If you look down at the bottom here, you'll see the other side of the patch panel, which has the 1.5" insulation in it already. So you see it's nice and clean, and we keep that uniform insulation throughout the panel, even with the piping penetration in place. Now there is a slight gap, as you can see. You may be able to see some daylight through there. It's very minimal, but what we recommend for that is to use a spray foam that you can get from any local hardware store. And we'll also provide you a piece of aluminum that's cut out on the other side, so you can place that over the other side and then spray from the inside out, okay? And then the aluminum piece on the outside, if you will keep that spray foam from going out the other side, and it'll keep it a nice clean finished look. So if we continue on around the front again, you'll see the patch panel here. It has the PVC coating on it and the self-tapping screw. So it's a very clean look, and it keeps the insulation intact so that whether we're trying to keep things warm on the inside, we can do so and not have any issues with equipment or pipes freezing on the inside. So if you have any other questions regarding our pipe penetrations, feel free to reach out to us at Safety Cover. Our number in Nashville is 615-259-4495, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.